Hi, we're a group of students working on a system called NOURISH. Our goal is to simplify and improve the process of donating food to those in need, helping to provide some support during these challenging times. COVID-19 has the most impact on the most vulnerable segments of the population. With rising unemployment, more people are being pushed into poverty, and homeless people need more support than ever. During a pandemic, people are less likely to donate, and for those who are willing to help, it's often not straightforward or easy. Food banks are struggling to provide the necessary variety of food because people don't have enough information to know the right foods to donate. Food banks end up having too many of certain food items and not enough of others. Finally, those in need don't always know what kind of resources are available to them and how to get them when help is needed. We're solving this problem by making it easier for people to donate and receive food. We're building a web and mobile app that's going to streamline and simplify the food donation process and address all of the problems people are struggling with. We're making it easy for donors to donate food to their local food banks. Our website lets people know which food items are the most needed at the food banks near to them, helps people create shopping lists that motivate them to purchase extra items for donations, and even helps them to manage their budget. Our website helps those in need to locate their local food banks and find out more information about what services they offer. We help food banks to request the items they need from the donors, share their information with those in need, and dynamically manage and update their stock. And now for a little demonstration of our prototype. This is the Nourish homepage. Those in need will click the Recipients button here and be taken to a map that shows all of their local food banks. They can enter their location here. Then they can click on one of the food bank items on the map, or click on one of these. If I click here, this will take us to the page of the Helping Hand Soup Kitchen, for example. This will show their tagline and their details such as address, number, and opening hours. Recipients can also see the available items at the food bank, which will allow them to make their decision about which food bank to go to. The food bank's wish list is also here. Donors will also be able to access food bank information this way, except they'll also be able to select the food bank and then create a personalized shopping list. This will be done by selecting items from the items section on the right. Donors can either scroll through this section to select items or search for items. Then they can add these items to their personal shopping list, or if the food bank requires these items, they can click on the heart here and then add it to their donation quantity. These quantities are shown here, with this particular user buying 4 tins of beans for themselves and 5 for their local food banks. Donors will also be able to create budgets, which are shown here. Lastly, food banks will be able to click on this button here, and they will have the option to add items to their inventory or remove them as appropriate, as well as their wish list, which shows the items that they request donors to donate. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video interesting, and we believe that this project can provide some help to people during these challenging times.